Welcome to Vision Quest 2020 online training. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the special situations that can occur while vision screening a child using EyeSpy 2020. The following screen will appear if EyeSpy 2020 is unable to verify the student's comprehension of the video game. If the proctor knows that the child has poor vision, in order to prevent the child from becoming increasingly frustrated, the proctor should just press the letter C on the keyboard to end the test and immediately create a referral for the student. If the proctor believes that the child can see, but actually just didn't understand the game, then re-instruct the child on how to play the game. To do so, press the A or B key on the keyboard and actually show the child what to do. And in fact, you can place your hand over the student's hand and move and click the mouse for them for the first couple of matches. When this screen appears, present the stereo card provided to the child, holding it approximately 18 inches from their eyes. Make sure that the child is still wearing their red-blue glasses and verify that the child can correctly identify 3 out of the 4 shapes on the stereo card. Press the A key if the student is able to correctly identify 3 out of the 4 images. Press the B key if the student cannot identify a minimum of 3 out of the 4 stereo images. Proctors should minimize distractions during the screening process and monitor the child to ensure that they're actively participating and playing the game at all times. If during the screening process a child becomes distraught due to obvious behavioral, physical, or visual challenges, press the spacebar on the computer. That will pause the game, and then press the C key on the keyboard, and this will automatically generate a referral for the child. In the event that the child fails a vision screening and you as the proctor are uncertain as to why, or you're questioning the results, perhaps the child just got distracted for whatever reason, we suggest immediately rescreening the child. And in fact, there is the immediate rescreen button on the main data entry screen for your convenience, as shown here. The last situation we will talk about is screening those students that have special needs. So for a student that understands the concept of matching but lacks the motor skills necessary to control the mouse left to right and then subsequently click the left mouse button, we offer a special needs mode. When the special needs button is selected, the Leah symbol optotype family is presented to the student regardless of age, and the student is provided an unlimited amount of time to indicate their decision to the proctor, who essentially plays the game with the mouse on behalf of the special needs student. So the mouse is not in the possession of the student, but rather the proctor. Now, it is critical that the student is making his or her own matching decision in order for the results to be accurate. To ensure this, place a printed copy of each of the 4 Leah symbols on the table in front of the child. The proctor will then point to the shape at the bottom of the computer screen and then ask the student to point to the shape lying on the table that matches. After the child points to the shape that they believe is the proper match, the proctor plays the game and makes that selection for them even if the choice is incorrect.
We hope this online training was helpful, and we thank you for helping to protect children's vision.